Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Greek letter phi to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. So phi is the 21st letter in the Greek alphabet, and we'll start here by adding a new Markdown cell. And here we'll show a lowercase phi. So this LaTeX code is backslash followed by lowercase p, hi, and we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So when we run this, we now have the lowercase Greek letter phi here centered in the middle of the markdown cell. So we can also look at how to add a capital phi. So the LaTeX code for capital phi is a backslash followed by uppercase P and then lowercase h and I. And we can add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as add $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So when we run this, we now have an uppercase phi here centered in the middle of the markdown cell. So this is how to add the Greek letter phi to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.